Hello, this is my first project. The project name is IoT Light Monitoring System. I'm using Bolt Cloud for this project. Now, the objective of this project is to monitor the light which is falling on a plant at different places. Uh, if we can measure the brightness of the light at different places on a plant, we can keep that plant in a correct place so that it receives the good light. Now, the hardware I'm using for this project is a Wi-Fi module which will send the data to the cloud, and to supply the power to the Wi-Fi module I'm using a USB cable and a light dependent resistor which is useful for measuring the brightness, and a 10 kilo ohm resistor. Now the working, how the circuit works. The light dependent resistor is also called as LDR. The internal resistance changes depending upon the brightness falling on that sensor. If we keep the LDR in darkness, its resistance will increase. If we keep the LDR in brightness or in light, its resistance will decrease. That is inversely proportional to the brightness falling on it. Now we need to convert this change in resistance to the change in voltage so that the Wi-Fi module can measure it, and it can send the data to the cloud. So how can we achieve that? By using a voltage divider. We will connect a 10 kilo ohm resistor in series with the LDR. If the resistance of the LDR increases, it will take more voltage coming from the Wi-Fi module according to the Ohm's law. The Ohm's law is V is equal to IR. That means voltage is proportional to the resistance. So if we keep the LDR in a bright place, its resistance will decrease so that the voltage drop across the LDR decreases, and vice versa. Now this is a circuit diagram. I'm connecting a 10 kilo ohm resistor in series with the LDR. From this we are supplying the voltage. If we keep the LDR in the brightness, its resistance will decrease so that the voltage drop across this LDR is small. Now this is the point where the Wi-Fi module measures the voltage. Between these 2 points, that is the potential difference measured by the Wi-Fi module, and that is sent to the cloud. Now this is the actual circuit. This is a Wi-Fi module, and to this Wi-Fi module there is a pin that is power supplying. To that I'm connecting a sensor to give the voltage, and the other pin of the sensor is connected to the analog to digital converter. That is the point where it measures, and from that point I am connecting a resistor in series with this, and the other pin of the resistor is to the ground. So this is the Wi-Fi module. Now I have given power to the through USB cable. Now the two lights are blue and green. So they are indicating, green is indicating connected to cloud, and blue is connected to internet. Okay, now let's see how to set up the Bolt Cloud for storing the data, and to show the data for us whenever we require. Now this is the Wi-Fi module. I have connected it. So this is the details of that Wi-Fi module. This is the name and ID of that Wi-Fi module. Now presently this is offline. I have already stored the data, but now it's offline. The name, the product name I have connected it to it is the light monitor. So first what we have to do is we have to create a product. So I created a product like here. By pressing this we can add a product, but I have already created it, and this is the device I have connected. We are creating a product and we're connecting a device to it, so we can configure it here. After clicking on the configure button, we will come here, and now this is the data collection rate. Okay, here we can select the time. I have selected it 5 minutes, so every 5 minutes the Wi-Fi module sends the data to the cloud. And now this is a Wi-Fi module, and we have connected to the analog to digital connector pin, so that's why I have marked this, and I have given this pin to name as light. Okay, now there is a simple code to plot the data which is received. So that is the plot chart function I am using, and this is the timestamp, that is the column, first column name, and the data, the variable name here, that is light. Okay, after doing this we have to connect this product to this device. We have already there, that's device, and now whenever we click this, the Wi-Fi module will send the data to this cloud, but automatically every 5 minutes it will store the data. Now already I have stored some data. Let's see that. So this is the data I have collected. So first I have put it as a normal light, so that at that time the light is 922. After that I placed the Wi-Fi module near the light, so at that time it has increased, I mean the reading has increased. And after that I kept in the dark, I mean not very dark but in dark place, so at that time 509, and I have placed in normal conditions after it. So this is the 9 data I have collected it. So this is the IoT light monitoring project. Thank you for watching.